Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, welcoming you to this video. I do have a purple glitter tutorial for you guys today, and I am using the GoPro palette from Bebella Cosmetics. That is just so gorgeous. So let's get started with today's look. For this look, you guys already know prep and prime is very important. I already prepped my skin, I set it with translucent powder, and now I'm highlighting my brow bone. You guys know I do like to work with tape, so I apply my tape in a diagonal angle just so I can get that nice definition on my eyeshadow and eyeliner. Let's dive in with our GoPro palette from Bebella Cosmetics, and I'm going to begin by picking up the color Autumn, which is a little bit on the pink fuchsia side, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying that from the outer corner of my eye into the inner corner, blending it very smoothly. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that pumpkin color. It's really cute, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out on my crease and a little bit of my lower part of my brow bone, and I'm going to blend these two colors together just to get more of a smooth look. Nicely blending the colors together, I am going to be stacking up the color Autumn, which is the purple looking one, and we do want to have enough definition. Next off, I'll be going in with my purple glitter in the name of Celine, and I love this color. I love this glitter just because I don't need a glue to set this glitter. It's just ready to go on your lids, and it's just so beautiful, so sparkly. I'm going to go in with my 3D Silk eyelashes from Bebella Cosmetics in Exotic. You guys, take a look at these lashes. They're so long and so soft. Honestly, I didn't want to use an eyeliner for this look just because I do want to keep the attention on the glitter. So once that's done, go ahead and apply mascara to your eyelashes to blend them in correctly. Once that's done, go ahead and remove your tape. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Blackout eyeshadow and just fill in the top of my waterline and the lower area of my eye, which would be your waterline. And of course, I'm going to blend out just with a little bit of that berry and that autumn color on the lower part of my eyes. Once that's set, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara and do last touches on my face, eyebrows, blush, contour, all of that good stuff. Once I'm set with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of setting sprays, and ta-ta, ready with my glittery look. Super gorgeous. And here is the final look of this tutorial using the gorgeous, super amazing GoPro palette from Bebella Cosmetics. So I hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments down below. Get ready because on the next video we might have a giveaway. And again, I do have a discount code for all of you guys at BebellaCosmetics.com, and you get discounts on almost everything. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon.